Remember what we do? Can someone tell Kestrel what we do in our closing circle?
Oh, she doesn't know about our closing circle. Come right back.
Look, guys.
What? She's just getting an apple to eat for snack. Oh, Daddy Duck. Where's his lady friend?
Explain to Kestrel, what do we do now?
We
Sitting here.
say our thanks.
So today we're going to do a special thank you circle. You know what we're going to do today? We're going to say thank you to Ellen. Oh yeah, today is her last day with us. So if we have something to say that we're grateful for her, we're going to say that now. Okay? Can you guys think a little bit about that? Can you take like 10 seconds and think about all the wonderful things that Ellen has done for you and us and all the family together?
Me.
Or you could say thank you for the forest too. That's also good.
Are you guys ready? Yeah? Who wants to start?
Me.
Sylvia?
My name is Silver.
Just a little. They're happy tears. I miss you already, tears.
We're still here.
You want to share something?
No, I don't want to share.
Victoria, do you want to go?
My name is Victoria. My favorite snowflake. I'm thankful for the forest and Ellen. The first one was for Ellen. Everything we can except for litter.
Litter, yeah.
Litter bugs!
Oh, not a...
Yes, little bugs. Litter for you.
All day.
Ready? My camp name is Slogger, and my real name is Alton, and I'm thankful for Ellen. My name is Saint. My camp name is Timmy the Toilet. Timmy the Talking Toilet. Always be my name's Tony, and my camp name is Wild Tony, and I like being in the forest because I like to spend time with
My name is Mariana. My camp name is Coyote Mariana. And I'm so thankful to Ellen that joined me in this adventure to bring all these little kids to the woods and help them connect with nature in a really fun and safe way and filled with laughter and songs and music and games. It was such a wonderful experience to share this with you, Ellen. Thank you so much.
I never did my camp name. Oh yeah, Chickadee, and I like being the first to play. My name is Sarah, and my camp name is Prescott. We're really making nature camp. We're really making
Okay, that was perfect.
Oh, Sully. I'm thankful for Ellen because she's always there when we need her, and she's really, really nice.
Alright, Phoebe. You ready now? It's your turn. You're gonna save it? Save it for later? Okay. Well, I still get to go, and my name's Ellen, and my camp name is Coyote Ellen, except today. Oh, then, can you listen, and we'll share your cartoon afterwards? And I'm so thankful for Coyote Mariana for coming up with this camp idea and inviting me to be a part of it, and to each and every one of you for coming to camp, because there wouldn't be a camp if none of the fun campers came.
You say that every time.
I know, because it's the most important part, except also the forest, because where would we have nature camp without nature? And so the things I'm most thankful for are my friends and the beautiful world that we have to have camps and fun in. And I'm going to miss all of you so much.
But at least we can see you at school.
We'll see you at school for a while, and then we will have some play dates. And anyone who wants to be a pen pal,
Oh, yes.
What's a
always
pen pal?
write me, because I love pen pals.
What are pen pals?
It's where you send secret
I know.
messages back and forth in the mail to each other.
Well,
I wanna be a
we
pen
made it
pal.
hard for you so that if
Oh.
you are missing us, you can read it through. So I will read some of the kids' messages, and then you can look through. I love you from Victoria here. Ellen, nature camp would not be the same without you. And some of the artwork. Sully said, I love you, you're funny. I'm going to miss you. Thank you for playing with me. Dear Ellen, I loved having you around. You were very, 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 very fun and nice. I hate for you to go, but I guess you have to. And if you have any exciting stories, please, please, please tell me them. I know you will have fun. I can't wait to see what you have been doing. Love, Sylvia. Goodbye, Ellen. I might see you another time, Maddox. I love you very much. You're fun. Can you still play with me? Jenna.
We could definitely play.
Ellen, you're kind. You don't brag. You're really nice.
Who was that? Who was that? Maddox. No.
I hope to see you again. I hope you come visit. I like how creative you are, and how kind you are. I like the games you make up. I will miss you. Dear Ellen, I hope you have a fun time in your trip. I thank you for helping with this camp so I can be here. I love you. Thank you, Sophia. I really like the nature camp all day. Bye, Ellen. I hope you have a great time. I will miss you. We will all miss you. I hope you have a good time around the world.
But what about Seba?
Oh, Sivas was here. Thank you for reminding me. I'm going to miss you. I hope you have fun in your trip around the world. You're amazing and awesome. Love.
What about
Seba.
mine?
And here's me the picture of you with the violin.
Oh, that's the most wonderful present I've ever got in my life.
Yeah, Yeah, you're crying.
You should.
Right out there with it, isn't she?
So Ellen, we have an early graduation present for you from all the children and families at Nature Camp. If you can pass that down for sharing your love of the world with us.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Oh man, this is the most exciting. Oh,
What is it?
oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Look, it's a little tree.
And that's from Lucia and Asher's mom. She made that.
She makes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, look, it's every time I see this, you know what I'm going to think of? All of you at Nature Camp. Playing in the mud, playing pranks on me, building cool forts, and oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I cried just a little. No, there's just something in my eye. There's just something in my eye.
Oh, it's so pretty on you, Ellen.
Oh,
Just
cool. Yeah, it looks awesome.
gorgeous.
It's a ponderosa pine tree.
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
this is so magical.
So you will always remember ponderosa pine
Wait,
tree.
but
This
why
will
are
go-
you leaving?
Everywhere with me. So I know I have all the superpowers from each one of you. Each one of you has so many superpowers.
Why
And
are you
that'll
leaving?
come with me everywhere I go.
Pink has the power of Coyote Ellen. Drinking.
I'm going to go around the world.
too.
I'm going to go on a big adventure to see as much as I can and learn as much as I can.
Go to China.
I might go to China. I've
Go
been there
to
before.
Europe.
It's cool.
Go to
Should I go to Japan and Europe? Okay.
Go to Massachusetts.
Go to Massachusetts.
Go to Peru.
Peru and Paris. Okay.
Go to Antarctica.
I will go.
Antarctica.
I'll go to all those places, and at each place, I will take my necklace and I'll touch it to the ground there,
Oh, it's
so
a
that
great
the
idea.
magic from Nature Camp and all of you will go to each one of those countries too with me.
That's darling.
How cool is that? Oh, I'm the happiest person in the universe. Oh, thank you, best friends. Thank you so much.
We're not best friends. We're BFFs.
We're BFFs. BFFF.
It is 3:02, people.
We have
Time to
go
trek
now.
back.
BFF.